In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a professional looking brochure using Google Docs. You may be wondering why Google Docs, and the answer is simple. It's a versatile and accessible tool that many of us have ready to use with our Google accounts. Whether you're looking to make a bifold or trifold brochure for a business presentation, an educational project, or just for fun, Google Docs can guide you through this process seamlessly. Let's begin by opening Google Docs. Start by navigating to your Google Docs account and create a new blank document. If you're not already signed in, make sure to enter your credentials to access your library of documents. Now, you'll see a fresh white page in front of you, ready to be transformed into a stunning brochure. Before we dive into adding content, consider adjusting the page setup to better fit your brochure design. This step is optional, but it can add that professional touch to your project. To do this, head over to File in the top menu and select Page Setup. Here, you're presented with several options. If you envision your brochure in a horizontal layout, choose Landscape. Also, to maximize your content space, you might want to reduce the margins. Setting them to 0.5 inches, for example, is a popular choice that affords you more room to work with. With your page set up to your liking, it's time to structure your content. Next, we'll set up the columns that will form the backbone of your brochure. Click on Format in the top menu, then choose Columns. If you're planning a bifold brochure, select 2 columns. For a more traditional trifold brochure, go for 3 columns. Each column will act as an individual panel of your brochure, so it's essential to determine the right number of columns for your specific project. Now comes the creative part, adding your content. Within each column, you can begin to fill your brochure with text, images, and headings. Remember, each column correlates to a specific panel in your brochure design. Structuring your content thoughtfully here is key. It's where your headings will grab attention, your text will inform, and your images will enhance the visual appeal. Think about the narrative you're trying to convey and use each panel to tell a part of your story. As you populate each column, imagine how your audience will physically interact with the brochure, flipping through its panels. These small details can make a significant difference in the overall impact of your brochure. And there you have it, your very own brochure, crafted entirely in Google Docs. By following these steps, you'll have a polished and professional-looking brochure that meets your needs. Thanks for tuning in, and happy designing.